I'm Randika, and this recording is for the purpose of assessment and will be stored in accordance with UNEP policy and procedure. I consent to recording Charlie Parker, and I am willing to participating for this role play.
Susat Chalahan, and I am willingly participating for this role play. Sam Romano, and I'm willingly participating for this role play.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us today for the project kick-off meeting for the Nambour fast food outlet upgrade. My name is Charlie Parker and I am the project manager for this project. Let's start by introducing ourselves and sharing a brief overview of today's meeting.
Good morning, I'm Susat Chalahan, project officer for Fast Freddy's. I am also representing Sam Romano, representing Pit Sports' interest in this project. Looking forward to a productive discussion today.
The Nambour fast food outlet upgrade is part of Pitsport's strategic explanation plan. The main objectives are to comply with all regulatory requirements, enhance customer experience, complete project within 6 weeks, and implement sustainable practice. This project elegance with Pitt's mission to provide superior service and sustainability.
How do we plan to manage the compliance aspect given the tight timeline?
Well, ensure compliance by engaging regularity expert and conducting regular audits. The detailed plan will help us stay on track.
Can you elaborate on how customer experience will enhanced?
Sure, the improvement include modernized interior, better seating arrangement and upgrade facility which we will discuss in detail in the deliverable section. Now let me introduce the project team. Executive sponsor Jim Murphy, CEO, provides strategic oversight and ensure enlightenment with Pitsport overall goals. Project officer Sam Roman, General Manager Facilities, oversees daily operation and ensure all the project activities elegance with the strategic objectives. Finance officer Henry Phillips, Senior Accountant Manager and project budget monitor expenditure and conduct regular financial reviews to ensure cost control and budget enhance. Project manager myself, Charlie Parker, responsible for overall project management coordination and ensuring the project meet its objectives, timeline and budget. The other team members are manage Nambour Service Center, Skill Abraham, manager local operation, coordinate site activities and support the project team as needed. Project manager First Fred Lees, Suicide Chalham represent First Fred Lees interest overseas compliance with franchise standards and manager permit to regularity approval. We have several pre-deliverables for this project. This include renovated facility that meets all regulatory requirements, modernized interior and exterior design, improve customer facility with seating for at least 30 people, sustainable features such as solar power and water recycling system, and comprehensive documentation.
What steps are we taking to ensure the sustainability features are effectively integrated?
We will work closely with sustainability consultant to integrate eco-friendly practice and materials. Regular process review will ensure these elements are on track.
Are there any specific challenges we anticipate with these deliverables?
One challenge might be coordinating the installation of solar power system within the project timeline. However, with proper planning and scheduling, we can mitigate this risk. Let's discuss budget and funding for the project. The total project budget is 500,000, which is include cost for the construction, materials, labor permits and contingencies. Here is the breakdown of the budget. Construction and renovation 300,000 for structural modification, interior and exterior upgrade and installation of new features. Material and equipment 100,000 for high quality sustainable material and new kitchen and dining equipment. Permit and compliance to 20,000 for fees, obtain necessary permit and ensure regular compliance. Labor cost 50,000 for wage of contractors, electrician, plumber and the skilled labor. Contingency fund 30,000 reserved for unforeseen expenses and potential cost overrun.
How do we ensure we stay within this budget?
We will implement strict budget monitoring, conduct regular financial review, and maintain detailed financial record. Contingency plan is also placed to handle unforeseen expenses.
What is the source of the funding?
The funding for the project comes from Pitspot Private Limited capital expenditure budget for 2024, specifically allocated for strategic expansions and upgrades. The project timeline is crucial for our success. Here are the key milestones. Project kickoff and initial preparation, site preparation and preliminary demolition, structural modification and system installation, installation of features and aesthetic upgrade, final inspection and quality check, staff training and handover.
Week 3 seems quite intensive. How do we ensure we stay on schedule?
We will have delighted schedule and dedicated team leader for each task. Regular check-in will help us address any issue immediately.
What buffer times have we planned for unexpected delays?
We have included buffer time in each perhaps to account for potential delays. For instance, we have extra days allocated during structural modification and final inspection to ensure we stay on track. Our quality ensure goals are regularity, compliance, high quality workmanship, customer satisfaction, and sustainability compliance. Strategies include regular inspection and audits, engagement of quality professionals, use high quality materials, detected documentation, customer feedback and integration, and safety and compliance training.
How often will these inspections occur?
Inspection will conduct at key milestone 25%, 50%, 75% and 100% compliant.
What happens if we find issues during these inspections?
We will have corrective action plan in place, address any issue promptly. The goal is to ensure high standard throughout the project. We have established key performance indicator to measure success, compliance with all regular requirements, enhance to project timelines, staying within the allocated budget, high quality workmanship. Positive customer feedback, implementation of sustainable feature, zero safety incidents.
How will we collect customer feedback?
Through completion, survey and direct feedback during the community engagement session.
How will these indicators be monitored?
Regular process report and review will help us monitor these indicators. We will also use Project Manager software to track process in real time. Risk, risk management is critical. We have identified several risks and their mitigation strategy. Budget overrun, implement strict budget monitoring and regular financial reviews. Project delays, develop a detected schedule with the buffer time. Regular compliance issue, engage compliance expert and conduct regular inspection. Safety incident, implement comprehensive safety training and audits.
How often will we review these risks?
We will conduct bi-weekly risk review meeting to monitor the status identified risk and evaluate the effectiveness of mitigation measure.
What if a new risk emerged during the project?
We have process for identifying and assessing new risk as they arise. Any new risk will be documented, assessed, and include our mitigation plan. We need a strong network with the contractor consultants and third-party service provider. Construction contractors provide track record enhanced to safety standard, high quality workmanship. Electrical and plumbing contractors licensed professional with the commercial experience. Regular compliance expert and sustainability consult ensure all practices are compliant and sustainable.
How do we ensure effective communication with all these stakeholders?
We will use regular meeting and transparent communication platform. Tools like Microsoft Teams will facilitate update and collaboration.
What's the plan for coordinating their schedules with our project timeline?
We will integrate their schedules into our overall project timeline and hold coordination meeting to ensure alignment. Feedback is vital for continuous improvement. Regular meeting, bi-weekly project team meeting, monthly stakeholders reviews, survey, post complaints, customer survey, community engagement session, performance evaluation, regular contractor and consultant evaluation, continuous improvement, implement feedback loop and training program.
How will we ensure that feedback is effectively integrated into the project?
Feedback will be collected, analyzed, and necessary adjustment will be made promptly. We will have this dedicated feedback loop to ensure this.
Can we provide feedback at any time or only during scheduled sessions?
Feedback can be provided anytime through our timeline platform. This allows for continuous input and improvement. We identified some gaps and proposed the following recommendation. Detailed regulatory compliance plan, need for more detailed regulatory compliance plan. Develop comprehensive compliance checklist and schedule regular audits. Contingency plan for dailies. Lack of robust contingency plan for potential delays. Create a detailed contingency plan with buffer time and alternative strategies. Enhance communication channel. Current communication plan may not ensure timely update. Implement additional communication tool and protocols, establishing a centralized platform. Sustainability initiative integration. Need for more details planning for sustainable practice. Work with sustainability consultants to integrate and document eco-friendly practice. Comprehensive training program. Training program need more details and community. Develop regular training session on quality standards and safety protocols. Detailed financial tracking. Need for advanced financial tracking to prevent budget overrun. Use advanced financial tracking tool to conduct monthly budget review.
How soon can we implement these recommendations?
We can start implement these immediately after this meeting. We will ensure these are integrated into our project plan and schedules.
Will these changes affect our current timeline?
We have accounted for potential adjustment and will monitor closely to ensure we stay on track. The buffer time in our schedules should help accommodate this change. Our immediate next step include finalize the project plan, securing all necessary permit and scheduling initial site preparation. Action item will be assigned to responsible team member to ensure accountability.
Can you outline who will be responsible for each action item?
Absolutely. I will prepare a detailed action item list and sign responsibilities as follow. Permit suite. You will handle this with the regularity expert. Site preparation. Sam, you will oversee the initial site prep and coordination with contractors. Communication tool. I will set up and manage the additional communication channels.
That sounds good. What's the timeline for these initial tasks?
We aim to complete this within the first week post meeting to ensure we are ready for the next prep. To summarize, we have discussed the project overviews, deliverable timeline, quality ensure strategies, performance indicators, risk management plan, network requirements, feedback strategies, identified gaps, and next steps. Does anyone have final question to concern?
No, everything looks clear and well planned. Looking forward to the project's progress. I agree. The plans are comprehensive and the strategies seem robust. Let's move forward with this.
Thank you all for our time contribution. We are excited to get started on this project, ensure success. Have a great day.